welcome. I would like to present you a simple alarm system. So I'll start with briefly introducing you to components. So sensor is attached to A3 pin. A3 pin is reading signal from sensor. I've used the debouncing method here, and it reads simply if sensor is on or off signal from it. Electromotor is attached to pin A2 and it starts spinning when alarm gets triggered. So we have potentiometer here and it's attached to A0, which reads analog signal and converts it to digital, and purpose of this potentiometer is to set Siren interval. So if it's 5 volts, it's gonna be 1 second. If it's 0, it's gonna be 0 seconds. I'm gonna demonstrate that shortly. So we have a D6 pin and it's attached to a set of LEDs, and they are representing the siren. And when alarm is triggered, this D6 is gonna send a PMW signal, and it's gonna go on and off, and the interval depends on this potentiometer. And we have a silent alarm and it works independently from the whole system. I'm gonna demonstrate that soon. So every time when we press this button, it's gonna send a message to the police. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start this simulator. So first thing first, we're gonna receive a welcome message which says press S to activate alarm. Timer is gonna count 3 seconds. It's a simulator time, and then we're gonna see message like alarm is in guard mode, and this LED gonna turn on. Yeah. So let me trigger alarm. Alright, so message being sent to police using serial communication. Alright, so this is physical switch. I can turn everything off. So now it doesn't work. Okay, so start alarm again. I'm gonna demonstrate silent alarm. If I press this button, it's gonna send a message to police because this silent button alarm is working independently. As you can see, it's attached to 5 volts all the time, and D3 is reading, is detecting if button is pressed or not. Okay, so another thing I wanna show you, if I activate alarm, I can also type letter K to kill the alarm. We just have to wait. This simulator time is a bit slow. I'm not sure why. Could be a website. But yeah, I can show you if I change voltage here. Siren interval gonna be maybe 0.8 seconds now. It was maybe 0.3. Okay, alarm is on. Activate. You see, it's very slow. And last feature, I just want to show you how to kill alarm with K. Hopefully this video gonna be under 5 minutes. This simulator is a bit slow. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to write K like this, and it's gonna be alarm is off. And as you can see, it's not gonna get triggered. Thank you for watching.